Have you been driving your Kia for years without realizing it's hiding a whole collection of secret features? Trust me, it does sound crazy, but most owners are barely scratching the surface of what their cars can do. Dealerships just don't have time to explain everything, which leaves you completely unaware of some majorly useful tricks. So don't spend another day using only half of what your Kia is capable of. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you're going to use your car completely differently. 1. Reverse dip mirrors. To start us off with our very first hidden feature, there is one hidden feature that makes your Kia feel instantly like a luxury car, and most people miss it entirely. It's called reverse dip mirrors. When you shift into reverse, your side mirrors automatically angle down toward the pavement so you can see the ground, the curb, and those rim-scratching obstacles. The secret catch? It only works if your physical mirror selection switch is toggled to the left or right. So if it's sitting in the middle, the feature stays turned off. It takes all the stress out of parallel parking, and once you get used to it, you'll never want to drive a car without it. 2. Secret engineering menu. Next up, let's talk about a hidden trick that feels like it was reserved entirely for the factory engineers. Your Kia has a secret engineering menu buried deep inside the infotainment software, and it is something 99% of owners will never stumble into by accident. This menu unlocks an entire layer of advanced diagnostics and internal settings underneath your normal touchscreen. But the crazy part is that to even bring up the secret keypad, you have to go to your system settings and tap the screen exactly 5 times to the left of the update button and once to the right. While the exact codes and menu layouts vary depending on your model year, it gives you a look into a technician's world that feels slightly mischievous in the best way possible. 3. Wiper service mode. Moving on to our next secret, this next feature sounds incredibly boring on paper, but trust me, ignoring it could end up costing you a lot of money at the paint shop. It's called the wiper service mode. On modern Kias, the hood actually blocks you from pulling your wiper blades up manually, and if you force them, you will instantly scratch the paint right off your hood. To change your blades or prep for a snowstorm, you have to activate the secret sequence. Start by turning the car off, and within 20 seconds, hold the wiper stalk up in the mist position for 2 seconds. The wipers will magically slide up and lock in place. It feels like total genius the second you actually need it, just like that tiny hidden pinhole reset button on your dashboard that instantly fixes a frozen infotainment screen. 4. Infotainment system. And that brings us right to the brain of the car, or basically the infotainment system. While nobody buys a vehicle just because they're excited about a reset button, knowing where it's hidden can save your sanity when your touchscreen suddenly decides to freeze, lag, or act moody. Look closely near your volume dial. There is a tiny recessed pinhole button. Pop a paperclip in there for a second, and it completely reboots the system without wiping your saved settings. But that's not the only trick Kia hid in plain sight. If your climate screen ever gets stuck showing the wrong temperature unit, you don't need to dig through deep menus to fix it. Just press and hold the off and auto buttons together for 3 seconds. The display will instantly flip between Fahrenheit and Celsius. It's a tiny shortcut, but finding these built-in design secrets makes your car feel less like a machine and more like a smart device with layers. And by the way, if you love discovering these hidden functions, smart hacks, and little secrets that car manufacturers never really advertise, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. There are plenty more surprising features from Kia that most drivers have absolutely no idea exist. 5. Cooled cup holders. Stepping away from the tech screen, our next secret features a luxury trick that is normally reserved for high-end sports cars or executive limos. But Kia went ahead and hid it in vehicles people drive every single day. We're talking about cooled cup holders, found in everyday family models like the Kia Carens. It sounds incredibly high-end, but Kia handles this in a genius, practical way because they actually routed an air conditioning vent directly into the center console. Slide a little hidden mechanical dial to the right, and the car blasts freezing cold AC air directly onto your drink. It's a massive lifesaver on a hot summer afternoon, and it shows that Kia was actively designing for the person sitting in the cabin, rather than just trying to make a nice brochure photo. 6. Quiet mode. Speaking of a controlled cabin, Kia also sneaks in a brilliant software override designed to keep things peaceful when your brain is completely overloaded. It's called the quiet mode. Most drivers assume this is just some generic equalizer setting, but its actual design is pure genius. When you swipe down on your infotainment screen and tap the quiet mode icon, the system instantly mutes every single speaker in the back rows and limits the front volume. This means you can keep listening to your favorite music or podcasts up front without waking up sleeping kids or disturbing passengers in the back. It instantly transforms your cabin space into a much calmer version of your day, especially when paired with its sister feature, Passenger Talk, which uses the car's microphone to project your voice to the rear seats when you actually need to get their attention. 7. Auto Defog. But while keeping the cabin quiet is great, there's another hidden system that feels almost futuristic the first time you see it work. It makes the car seem weirdly intelligent. It's Kia's auto defogging system. Hidden right behind your rearview mirror is a digital humidity sensor tracking the moisture levels inside the cabin. Before your windshield even starts to blur up and cause a panic, the car silently calculates the dew point, forces the AC compressor to pull moisture out of the air, and clears the glass in stages without you lifting a finger. If you ever want to toggle this hidden logic on or off without digging through menus, just hold down your physical front defrost button for 3 seconds. The light will blink to confirm you just hacked the climate control. It's the ultimate safety net that stays completely out of your way until you need it. 8. Custom Smart Power Tailgate. Transitioning out of the front cabin, let's look at a hidden setting that completely changes how you interact with the back of your car. It's the Custom Smart Power Tailgate memory. While having a liftgate that opens automatically when you stand behind it is great, a lot of drivers have no idea you can customize exactly how wide it swings. If you park in a tight garage with a low ceiling, you don't have to risk smashing your paint against the garage door. Just manually pull the tailgate down to your ideal clearance level, then hold the physical close button on the trunk panel for 3 seconds until the car beeps. The computer instantly saves that exact height as your new maximum limit. It forces the vehicle to adapt entirely to your life, removing a constant background anxiety every single time you load groceries. 9. Battery-saving utility mode. Battery-saving utility mode is designed to freeze your car's standby power consumption by shutting down unnecessary background systems when it's left parked for long stretches. This matters far more than most people think, because a car sitting completely idle will slowly bleed energy just keeping its anti-theft sensors and wireless receivers awake. By activating this mode, you essentially put those power-hungry background processes into a deep hibernation, ensuring your 12-volt battery stays healthy and your vehicle is ready to start without a hitch the second you return. 10. Blue light filter. And while we are on the subject of smart little conveniences, let's talk about the blue light filter. This feature reduces the harsh glare from your infotainment display, which is an absolute game changer if you spend a lot of time driving at night. Screens are everywhere now, and after a few hours on the road, your eyes definitely start to feel the strain. A subtle warmth filter might not seem like a big deal at first, but over the long haul, anything that makes the display gentler on your vision is a quiet win. The best features often work that way. They quietly do their job, protect your comfort, and completely disappear into the experience. 11. Smartwatch control. Our next feature brings some serious smart device energy straight into the driver's seat. Kia is actively turning your vehicle into an extension of your wearable tech with Kia Connect smartwatch control. By syncing the Kia Access app to your Apple Watch or Wear OS device, you can remotely start the engine, adjust the cabin temperature, and lock your doors right from your wrist. But the real We Live in the Future upgrade is Digital Key 2.0. On newer models, you don't even need to open an app. Your smartwatch uses ultra-wideband sensors to act as a literal key fob. The car automatically unlocks as you walk up and lets you drive off with nothing but your watch on your wrist. It turns your vehicle from a standalone machine into a fully connected ecosystem. 12. Anti-pinch window and sunroof feature. Stepping away from cabin comfort, this next secret feature is something people discover, Test once and immediately wonder why every single car isn't built the same way. It's Kia's auto reverse anti-pinch system built right into your windows and sunroof. If an obstacle, like a child's hand, a rogue water bottle, or a pet, blocks the window as it's sliding up, the motor instantly senses the resistance, stops, and drops the glass down about a foot to prevent injury. But here's the major catch. If your car battery ever dies or gets disconnected, this safety feature disables itself completely. To turn it back on, you have to recalibrate it by rolling the window all the way up and holding the physical switch in the up position for 2 seconds. It's an invisible layer of protection that completely saves you from a very bad day. 13. Automated seat climate control. Another hidden gem that completely upgrades your daily drive is a feature called Auto Comfort Control. Most owners physically mash the heated or ventilated seat buttons every single morning, completely ignoring the fact that the car can do it for you. If you dive into your vehicle settings under the seat menu, you can toggle this on to link your climate controls directly to your seat and steering wheel. When it's freezing outside, the car automatically fires up the seat heaters and steering wheel warmer the second you start the engine. If it's baking hot, it immediately triggers the ventilated cooling. Combined with other silent features like Auto Defog and Quiet Mode, it proves Kia loves sneaking luxury comfort into places people rarely think to look. 14. Welcome feature on higher variants of the Kia. Saving one of the coolest visual tricks for last, this next feature is tucked away into the car's approach sequence. If you drive a higher variant of the Kia Sonnet or Seltos, your car has a welcome feature that automatically folds the side mirrors out the second you step close with your key fob. It's a tiny detail, but it instantly makes the car feel alive and responsive, transforming a basic daily routine into a premium moment of theater. Keep in mind, because features like this are locked behind specific trim levels and geographic markets, millions of owners never realize they even have them. These quality of life shortcuts aren't designed to show off in a dealership brochure. They're hidden software gems meant to reward curious drivers. And honestly, that's the whole theme here, isn't it? Your Kia is capable of doing far more than you give it credit for. You just have to know exactly where to look. And there you have it, the hidden Kia features that 99% of drivers completely miss. Hopefully, you found at least one feature you'll be trying the next time you get behind the wheel. If you love unlocking the hidden potential of your car, hit that subscribe button and join the channel. We've got plenty more secret hacks on the way. Want to keep the surprises going? Check out my previous video where we reveal even more mind-blowing car features manufacturers never talk about. Thanks for watching, drive safely, and I'll see you on the next one.